See Weather Lab. Here's Eric's forecast.
What a fantastic weekend across Acadiana. Plenty of sunshine and very warm temperatures as again this afternoon we made it into the lower 80s. So hopefully you were able to get outside and soak up some of that sunshine, maybe at the Christmas parade downtown or just doing some yard work or putting some of the decorations up in and around your neighborhood, because some changes are coming as we head back to work tomorrow. And we'll start with looking at the water vapor imagery. And you can see right now we got a pretty big dip in the jet stream coming across a good portion of the country. You can see right now it dipping down over Texas. That's helping to bring us that dry air from the west. Dew points today fell into the 40s, so it was a very comfortable 81 degrees outside here in Lafayette and throughout much of Acadiana. But in the coming days, this is going to drop even further, allowing this cool air, which is trapped up to the north, to make its way down into our region, especially waking up Tuesday morning and continuing Tuesday afternoon and into Wednesday before things start to change heading towards next weekend. You can see on the satellite and radar we still have some scattered showers over towards Georgia and the Florida Panhandle. Also up in the northeast area they're dealing with some snow and rain showers, and then same thing back through the Great Lakes. Hit or miss showers along with some snow falling back through there, and that's where that cold air is located. That'll be diving down a little later on into the upcoming week. But today we had plenty of sunshine again, and that helped warm temperatures. We started off on the cool side. Temperatures lower 50s to upper 40s to get the day started, but with that sunshine, lower 80s is where we topped out, and now sitting at 76 degrees here in Lafayette. But you can see other areas are cooling nicely as we got 68 in Jennings up to Alexandria, 64 in Abbeville, 73 in New Iberia. So out and about this evening, you still might want that jacket or sweater. And then heading into tomorrow, you might want to pick out the little heavier jacket as a cool front moves through, switches winds out of the north. So temperatures dropping into the lower 50s to upper 40s by tomorrow morning. But with another sun-filled day, it should be mild temperatures, mid-60s, but winds will be picking up out of the north, and that'll make it feel a little bit cooler, about 10 to 15 degrees cooler than what we were today and yesterday. So you are going to notice a little bit of the chill, and then waking up Tuesday morning, that's when that cold air finally spills down into Acadiana. Temperatures falling into the upper 30s and lower 40s by the time we start off. So you'll start to have to get that winter gear out as high pressure moves in control, and that sticks with us Tuesday afternoon. So you can see highs only in the mid 50s during the afternoon. So we stay on the cooler side even during the day. That sticks with us for our Wednesday as not much changes as the high pressure pretty much moves right over top of us. But by Thursday, high pressure slides off to the east. We get that southerly flow returning to a mild day as we get back into the mid 60s. Also, clouds start to return across the area by Thursday afternoon. Friday is when I expect rain to return to Acadiana. We'll start with some light scattered showers. This is Friday afternoon around 3 o'clock, pushing into the evening. So if you have some Friday night parties or Christmas parties going on Friday night, might have to contend with scattered showers and a few thunderstorms. You can see this is around 9 o'clock. That yellow beginning to move through, so that's some more moderate showers pushing into Acadiana. Then during the overnight into early Saturday morning is when the main area of low pressure slides over top, and that could bring the chance with it some strong to possibly severe storms, maybe pushing into Acadiana. Still a little uncertain to tell just how strong those storms could be, but it does look like heavy rain expected with this, anywhere from 2 to 4 inches Friday night into Saturday morning. Saturday afternoon, it slides off to the east as rain begins to push out of here, but the winds pick up on the backside, and another round of cold temperatures move in for Sunday as highs might struggle to even get into the lower 50s by Sunday afternoon as skies slowly begin to clear as the clouds push off to the east. So temperatures this evening, very comfortable, dropping down where we should be for this time of year, lower 50s to upper 40s across northern portions of Acadiana. Tomorrow afternoon, very comfortable, 65 degrees here in Lafayette, a little lower up to the north. Tuesday is when it starts to get cold. 43 for a low in Lafayette, some upper 30s north of the Highway 190, and then staying on the cooler side for highs only in the mid 50s with plenty of sunshine. So we'll call it a pleasant evening as temperatures, though, will be falling fast, getting down to 50 degrees by tomorrow morning. 68 for our high officially with lots of sunshine, with those winds picking up out of the north about 10 to 15, and you can see those winds really getting gusty as we head late morning into the early afternoon. We stay cool for Tuesday and Wednesday, starting to warm up with rain chances returning heading into Friday and continuing into much of the day on Saturday. But there's that